Hey guys, back with another video. Today we're going to be over my buddy's house, Greg. He has a 2021 Street Glide Special, and he got some packages in for it. So this will kind of be like a reveal video of his bike and unboxing video of the things that he has for it. So let's get into it. Alright guys, today we have a couple things. As you can see in front of us, we have some Advanblack boxes that Greg has gotten from, obviously, Advanblack. And that's his 2021 Street Glide Special in vivid black, all blacked out. And he finally made it. Finally made it to the channel. So Greg, let's see what's in these
Greg,
packages.
welcome to Motorcycle Mischiefs. So we'll start with the big one. This is an initial review. We don't have all the pieces and parts. Hopefully they'll come in soon, but we'll open what we got, get a first impressions, and show you the quality of it.
So what exactly is in these boxes?
This is the Razor Tour Pack from Advanblack. We got the blue stitch liners to match in those other boxes, I believe. So we'll see what it looks like here. A lot of packaging so far. Anything. When you order from Advanblack, it already comes color match. We did get it in vivid black. Did not skimp on the packaging.
Well, it's a big hunk of plastic in there. Hopefully they packaged it well. That's good quality if it is packaged right.
Alright, got it unboxed here. Take our first.
There was definitely a lot of packaging in there.
Far opens pretty, feels pretty good quality here. Let's see what we got. black backrest pad for it. We did get a blue stitch one to match the seat, and we actually got another one that's going to directly match the seat coming later.
Yeah, if you saw in the B-roll, we had he's got blue stitched seat from what is that?
Bad Boy Cycles. We could put the link down below. George, great guy to deal with. Great seat.
Yeah, I believe that's a 2-piece seat, right?
3-piece. It's got the driver's backrest as well.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can see it in the background there. Now that should be the mounting plate that goes inside the tour pack.
So, let's see.
As you can see, it's a wonderful 45 degrees out in Ohio right now. At least there's no snow. Give it a couple days though. I think we're getting another 6 inches on Saturday.
Tape. Yes, this is the mounting plate.
And that goes in the inside of this tour pack.
So it's going to go right here, in between this and the mounting bracket, which, like I said, we are still waiting on the mounting bracket. So, yeah, good quality so far. I mean, I don't see anything wrong with it. Feels like it's going to last.
Now that these latches, now these are also color matched, correct?
Correct. You can get these in chrome or black.
Yeah, chrome or color matched to
Went with the black
to your bike. And if you go to Advanblack's website, they have a whole selection of colors to choose from. I don't necessarily know if they have every color out right now, but more than likely you're going to find the color for your bike. Now they also have, like he said, this is a Razor tour pack. They also have a Chop tour pack, and I believe they call it the King tour pack.
Correct. The King one's huge. I mean, you can fit 2 full-size helmets in that thing. Don't really need that, so we went with the Razor.
And what is that? Just
Got some stickers.
hardware?
I believe this is just this hardware and the keys. So
Oh,
it does
okay.
come with its own keys, but if you wanted to, you could take this to Harley and get it to match your bike. Shove these back inside for now.
So again, that's the Advanblack Razor tour pack for the Street Glide. And like he said, the hardware's on back order, but once he gets that in, we're going to do another video on the install, and hopefully it goes well, because it shouldn't be that hard. He's already got the mounting kit for it, and or the mounting bracket for the quick release stuff.
I got mine from Harley. Advanblack does sell that mounting bracket as well.
All right, as you can see here, the Advanblack backrest, the plain black one, came with it. I believe you have to order it, but he also ordered a special stitched version of it.
Alright, so we got a blue stitch got here in the light, maybe we could see it a little bit better. Does match up pretty good. It's a little different shade of blue, but it's nice quality though. Good backrest.
Now that's actual leather, right? Or is that a like a vinyl?
It feels like leather. I think it is leather. I'm not really sure.
Okay. We'll figure that out later, I guess.
But you can see the comparison.
Yeah, there's on your left is your standard seat backrest. I believe that'll fit the Razor and the Chopped. They also have a fitted like half moon shape for your king pack. I think you could put it on the chop too. It's kind of got like a...
The wraparound backrest does
Yeah.
fit the king tour pack and the chop from what I've seen.
Here, flip one of these over.
So it does have your 3-bolt mounting pattern.
Yeah, and that all, it has the screws on it, or the bolts on it, nuts on it, and it just mounts right onto the back of the pack. I like the fact that it has this
Drop piece there to
Drop piece,
hide,
yeah.
hide the gap in between the seat and the backrest there. It's nice. Alright, so next up we're going to be opening up the liner for the tour pack. We'll throw it in there real quick so you can see how it fits and how it looks inside the tour pack.
And again, this liner can be ordered through Advanblack for the actual model that you purchased. Like I said, the Razor, Chopped, or King Tour pack. Three different
They also
sizes.
have whatever color you'd want.
Now, did you get this one stitched also?
This one is stitched also.
So this
feels
one,
nice. It's,
this one will have a blue stitching on it.
It does have a nice blue stitching. It will come out here in the light.
Yep, definitely. Yeah, looks like some quality stuff. So
It feels good, nice. It's got a little hole here. I'm sure that's for the
return the
yeah,
zip return or
zip
whatever.
return. Got one piece at the top and the bottom here. This is nice stuff.
So I believe that stuff. That's what, double-sided tape there, or
This
some
is-
Velcro
this
maybe.
Is Velcro, I think. This is tapes, sticks to the pack, and you Velcro it right to the back of this.
So yeah, you're
Well,
basically gonna run the tape on the inside and then
Pop it out here and see.
put the mounting on.
Nice blue stitching. Pop it out so you can kind of see the stitching. I don't see anything frayed. I don't see anything wrong with this at all.
Yeah, looks good.
Pretty happy with it. Okay. We'll throw it inside the tour pack and see what it looks like.
All right, we got the tour pack back out, and we took all the stuff out of it. He just wanted to see what it kind of looks like in there.
It fits good. Lines right up with all the corners. Once we get that tape on there, line up good.
Yeah, and other people have said in other videos that, you know, once you get it down and you get it settled in and it sits in there for a while, it kind of settles in and looks nice. The wrinkles get, you know, smoothed out and everything. So it'll look nice once it's put in there permanent, but this is just kind of like a rough look at what it's going to look like.
So yeah, there's your Razor tour pack from Advanblack.
And again, these tour packs don't come with the liners. You don't necessarily need the liner, but it is a good touch. It softens everything up and
Gives you a lot of protection inside.
yeah, gives you a lot of protection inside for all the stuff you're going to end up putting in there. All right, we're going to move on to whatever the next box is. All right, we got one more package left. And which package is this?
This is going to be the saddlebag liners. So it's going to be just like the tour pack liner, match for the saddlebags. We're going to have that blue stitching on, keep the theme of the bike going.
Do you know how many color combinations you can get in the stitching offhand or no?
I don't. Probably something like 12, I think I saw on there.
So again, these are the should be for the special stretched bags.
That's a good point. So when you order these, you want to make sure if you have the stretch bags that you order them for the Harley stretch bags, because Advanblack makes their own stretch bags that are going to be a different saddlebag liner.
Good point. Well, there's the sun.
So yeah, same quality as the tour pack liner. You got that nice blue stitching in there. It's thick, heavy duty. You got your holes for mounting your saddlebag to the bike. Goes right around there.
Yeah, this is for those of you that don't know. Those holes are for these detach
It's in there.
for the bags.
It's right back in there. And it'll lie right up there.
Yeah, see? Starting to come together. Now it's just a matter of putting it all together.
Should be another day when we have all the parts.
Oh yeah. Another day. And a couple beverages later, who knows?
Yeah, today we got the Conway's Irish Ale going.
A local special.
Great Lakes.
Anyone that doesn't know, Great Lakes Brewing Company is based out of Cleveland, Ohio. But yeah, so that's basically it.
Well, thanks for tuning in to Motorcycle Mischiefs. Until next time, YouTube.
All right, like he said, take it easy, guys.